Hi everyone, welcome to lesson 4. The title for lesson 4 is The Anti-Apartheid Movements, AAM in Britain and Ireland. Okay, from lesson 3, you will remember that we left lesson 3 with the international world actually sick and tired of what was happening in South Africa. You remember they said it is enough, South Africa. They did not fold hands. They took an action. What was that action? They decided to form the AAMs. Who actually formed the AAMs? It was a group of South African exiles together with their supporters that met in a meeting in London. When was the meeting? The meeting was on the 26th of June 1959. That meeting called for a boycott of SA-made goods such as fruit and cigarettes. In that meeting, the Anti-Apartheid movement was formed, which is Anti-Apartheid movement was formed. And this one was in Britain. So this is, learners, a British AAM. The AAM campaigned for the end of apartheid by means of isolating South Africa from the international community. Okay, so far we've got the British AAM. All right, Ireland also followed suit. They formed their own AAM in 1964. Both the Irish and British AAMs were very active in condemning apartheid. They organized several boycotts, aiming to isolate South Africa internationally. What were those boycotts? Your sport boycott, your cultural boycott, your academic boycott, which we are going to deal with in this essay. Your critical analysis of each situation or each boycott is key. Students that actually get level 7 are those that are able to employ their minds in critically analyzing each step. For example, in the case of the sport boycott, do you think the SA players came back satisfied and happy? Obviously not. Even those who thought they enjoyed apartheid, they supported apartheid, they came back with questions. It was a great disappointment. They went all the way as far as London, only to come back having not played. That was my critical analysis. What I'm saying with this is that you as students, you should also do it, criticize. What do you think? For example, you'll be studying about cultural boycott. What do you think was the impact? Otherwise, if there's no impact, then there's no use of all these boycotts. Each boycott must have had a certain impact. You must state what you think was the impact. In actual fact, in all essay students, you are advised to have your voice.